What is the best preparation for death? Our life on earth is a precious and unique opportunity for our spiritual growth. Each of us, precisely because we live and grow old with so many physical problems, is aware that there will be a death. Some know that it will come soon, others will still have many years to prepare for it. There are others who will die much sooner than they expect. It is a reality of life that each of us will have to leave this earth, but none of us knows exactly when. Many will not be given the opportunity to prepare to make sure that their departure will be a new celebration of life lived. All the moments experienced on earth are nothing more than having practiced love for God and others, for such an important moment as the one we are experiencing today in our passage into the spiritual world. God teaches us to move forward having confidence, if we have lived according to His ideal and purpose of creation, that a future better in the spiritual world and that a greater benefit is coming, a happier, joyful, intense life in His world where evil and suffering, even physical suffering, can no longer dwell and exist in our lives.